someone?
Okay, I'm looking at your
I'm looking for a quest.
left a lot of this stuff.
An error.
Well, I haven't really been
There was
anywhere
an error.
noteworthy
Yeah.
or mentionable.
Have you done
I like errors.
noteworthy, mentionable?
I like errors. I do. Where's he going? Oh, he's falling. Oh, he's falling a window.
Still there?
I just like zone out.
So what did you think of that one?
I liked it.
You liked it? What's it about?
Errors.
Errors?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah, possibly.
possibly.
There's some errors. There is this one error.
Yeah. What else was it about?
That's it.
That's it?
Yep.